Welcome guys, this is KLK Party Favors. Today I'm bringing to you another holiday gift basket. This is my Spider-Man theme gift, and inside this basket I have a remote control Spider-Man car. I have the Spider-Man splash pumper, the cup, the toothbrush toothpaste kit. I have goggles, I have tissue, I have a swim raft, bath bomb, I have a kite, I have a light up Frisbee, I have crayons, markers, and 2-pack punch balloons. And I'm going to put it on this little turntable so you all can get to see some of the items. All right, guys, and now I am going to come back and I'm going to have it wrapped for you. All right. Come here, girl. Okay guys, here's the wrap version of the Spider-Man gift. All right guys, I hope you like this gift. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.